Today you'll be working on 1.3 in your sixth grade math textbook, and you'll be focusing on absolute value. How do you find and how do you use absolute value? After you're done working on all of the practice problems, this is the answer key to help you make sure that you are answering all of those correctly. So up on the screen you have the answer key for pages 19 and 20, where you're seeing the Explore Activity 1 with the reflect questions, and then you have an absolute value in real world situation where they give you another example and you're reflecting. It's important that you take the time to do the reflect part so you can really make sense out of what you are learning. Also, don't forget, if you use the digital math textbook, which you have access to, you should be able to click on some of the animated math links and some of the learning areas where they can teach you if you need further assistance. So at any time you can pause this video and you can check your work to make sure that you have the correct answers for pages 19 and 20. Okay, let's take a look at our next pages. Okay, so here this is where you were completing on page 21 and 22 the Your Turn problems. Now that you understand absolute value, you're going to compare absolute values in the Real World Explore Activity number 2. Again, it's important that you complete the reflect question afterwards. Doesn't matter that if it doesn't have to be exactly the way that the book gives you as the answer, but it's important that you're around the right answer. And then finally, the guided practice is what you'd be completing on your own. So everything has been helping you along the way, and so now it's going to be less training wheels to see what you're capable of doing more on your own, even though you've been helped along the way. Okay, so again, at any time that you need to pause this, please pause it so you can check your answers and make sure that you are fully understanding what you're covering, which is absolute value. Okay, the homework is going to be on pages 23 and 24, and that's something that we go over in class together.